Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. As you know, I am solving the specialization course on Coursera, and the course namely Python for Everybody. I have already solved course 1 and course 2, and in this video I am solving course 3 week 5. So you can find the course 1 and course 2 complete solution on the playlist of Deep Code Guru, that is course 1 programming for everybody, and the course 2 is this is Python data structure. And also I have provided deep learning, Google IT support and NPTEL courses. I am solving and providing the solution. So you can subscribe Deep Code Guru and stay tuned with Deep Code Guru for more solution. And soon I will introduce you all with the website of Deep Code Guru, so you can find easily all those videos in the list manner, so you need not to go again and again check my playlist. Okay guys, so now let's get started. And as you know, I am solving weekly wise. I am providing video, so you can get all those week link in the video description, so you can easily jump into the week where you are getting the program. And guys, please don't forget to share this video with your colleagues, friend and group. So once you share, they will definitely appreciate you for sharing this video, and also our community will increase, and I will try to come up with more solution on the Coursera different courses, so you will get more benefit. Okay, so as you know, I am playing this video until I am not getting here the green tick, right guys? So from course
So XML is what we call the
I am
schema does for
this
us.
all thing and solving. Okay guys, and you can also join the Telegram.
How to parse XML in Python.
You can find link in video description, guys.
Or JavaScript object notation.
So I am providing from week 1 to and course 1 to course 5. I will provide those all solution, and now I am going to solve the quiz. So for quiz I will, guys, for this video complete the quiz, and then after I will show you the answer and submission, so I can minimize the time and optimize the video length. Now you can see guys, I have completed it. I will zoom it and show you so you can follow me. Okay guys, so you just follow it, and in case if you feel I am scrolling fast, then you pause this video or decrease the speed. If you feel I am doing slow, then you increase the speed and complete it. Okay guys, and please don't forget to subscribe Deep Code Guru, my channel, and stay tuned. Also click on bell icon, so you will get more video like this, and you will get a lots of help in solving the assignment, and I am always there to help you out in case you are facing problem. Okay guys, submit it. So now you can see here the score is 100%. So this is done, and now I am going to solve this graded assignment. So this is here. I will go, okay, open it, and as usual I will go to the online DB and I will solve it, and once I will do it, I will resume the video and I will show you the execution and the code, so I can minimize the time length of this video. So okay guys, you can see here I have typed here the program, and I will first run it, complete it, and then after I will show you the code. So I am going to run it, and I have copied this sample data link, and I will paste it, Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. Okay, sorry, okay, again I have to run. Okay, Control Shift V. Okay, Control Shift V, enter. Okay, so sometime it is stuck. Okay, don't worry, I will make it. Okay, so I will pause it again, I will stop and rerun. Okay, Control V, enter. So I think this page is not responding. I will stop and again reload this page and do it. So this is common thing, as you know, from the week 4 I am telling you continuously. See, you reload. Okay, select it. Okay, Control V. Okay guys, okay, this is taking time, my system is a bit slow. Okay, so this is done, and now I will go here and I will again copy this and I will get back and I will run it and Control Shift V, enter. It's happened, this is natural to happen, you need not to worry, you have to keep on trying. At one we will get this output, no worry. So okay, no worry, it will show like this only, no worry, no worries, just keep on trying, it will give the output. Okay, again I think I have stopped here. Okay, I will stop and again I will run it. So this is common thing to happen. Okay guys, so you need not to worry, you just keep on trying 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, even 20 times, 30 times you have to try it, and at one end we will get the solution. Okay guys, so now I am going to open the same online DB in the next tab and I will do there. In expectation I will do the things in shorter time. Okay, complete, select V. Okay, Control A, Control V, done. This is the link. So this happened, this is common thing guys, multiple try you have to do, there is no other way. Control Shift V, enter. So now you can see here guys, I got this, count is 50 and sum is 2553. So I will take you back and you can see here, this is starting with 2 and you can see 2553 and this is our actual data. So now I am going to run the actual data. So sample is done guys, you saw that now. Okay. So this is happening, this happens, so you need not to worry guys, you just have a passion and solve it. You keep on executing, and you will get. Okay, this you can see I am getting, the program is correct but still I am getting like this. So like this I am getting. I will go in this tab and I will try. So I am trying multiple time I am trying. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, Control V. So nothing I am getting. Okay, here I will get back, nothing I have got. So I will again reload the page. Okay, so this way you do, keep on trying, you will get at one end. Okay, so this is actual. Okay, have I copied or not? Okay. And run it and control V, enter. Still I am not getting. This happen, guys, this happen. This is normal thing. You need not to worry, you just keep on try. Stop, run, enter, no, not working. Again I will stop, rerun, enter. So you can see here, still I am not able to do it. So you can see this type of things will happen. This is common, guys. I will again reload this page. You try 4 or 5 times. If not, you can reload the page and try. Reload the page and try. Reload the page and try. Until you get the answer, you keep on try. Keep on try. Control C, enter. Okay. Control C, enter. Not getting, guys, not getting. Okay, no worry. I am trying. You also try like this. Okay, not to worry. Not to worry. You too keep on like this. Try. Keep your try. Okay, now you think I got here. Right, guys? I got here. So the count is 50 and sum is 2675. The sum is 2675. 2675. You can see here the ending with 75. Right, guys? So this is the process. This is the process we have to follow. The code is completely correct. After this summation, I will show you the code. You need not to worry. Okay, summation is going on, and you can see here your answer is correct. Now I will click done, and I will go back. I will refresh it and show you a code. Then after I will show you the code. So this is common thing, guys. You keep on, and you just subscribe my channel for my help. You can see here the score is 100%. Okay, guys. So now this is the code. Okay, I will show you the code. I will zoom it, so you can easily get it. Okay, guys. Okay. This is the code. Okay, guys, so you pause this video, complete this code, and then you proceed. So as you know, I am providing weekly wise solution. So you will get weekly wise link in video description. And if you want next course, then go to the playlist and check it out. I will provide the whole course, whole complete 5 course. I will complete this specialization. I will also complete other specialization course in coming days, so you can follow up this. Okay, now I don't want to wait more and make this video long. Already we have taken the long, and bonus video also I will complete it. It is not required, but so once green tick is done.
I like how you're taking video.
Don't forget
Cheers.
to subscribe my channel and also join the group. So our community will increase and will provide the more solution. And this is the end of week 5 and week 6 I will solve in the next video, guys. Already I have solved the JSON, so I will proceed it and complete it. And guys, you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with Deep Codec Guru, and please subscribe it, share this video with your colleagues, friends and other group, so they will definitely going to appreciate. Thank you all watching for my video, and please stay safe, stay at home, stay learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good time.